Welcome to Appspotr Academy. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Fetch Dataset Item logic block, which allows you to retrieve specific data entries from your app's datasets. This is ideal for displaying detailed information like user profiles, product descriptions, or any other individual data items. Imagine you're managing an e-commerce app and want to display detailed information about a selected product. The Fetch Dataset Item logic block can retrieve the product's details, such as name, price, and description, from the dataset and display them to the user. Let's walk through the steps to add and configure the Fetch Dataset Item logic block in your workflow. Drag the Fetch Dataset Item logic block into your workflow to integrate it into your application's logic. Next, connect the logic block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the process of retrieving a data row. Click on the Fetch Dataset Item logic block to open its configuration settings. Here's how to set it up. Choose the dataset from which you want to fetch data. Ensure that the dataset contains the necessary data rows you wish to retrieve. Select an existing dataset rule, such as default read, or create a new one by clicking the Add Rule button. This rule will define the permissions and conditions for retrieving the data row. Provide the item row ID, which uniquely identifies each data row in the dataset. This ID is necessary to specify which data row to retrieve. The outputs will include all the data retrieved from the dataset based on the columns defined. This data can be used to display detailed information to the user. Finally, set up toast messages to provide feedback based on the operation's success or failure.